your test automation framework might be costing your teams far more than you realize. And I'm not talking about just licensing fees. I'm talking about the time, effort, and budget that go into keeping your automated tests running as your application grows. And here's what many teams are running into. As your test suites grow, maintenance starts to become burdensome. Now, industry data shows that a significant portion of automation budget actually goes towards fixing and updating existing tests instead of building out new coverage. And before long, teams are spending more time maintaining automation rather than getting value from it. And it's not usually because they picked the wrong tool, it's actually just because of the framework underneath it. Now, there are several ways to structure a test automation framework. You have approaches like linear, modular, data-driven, keyword-driven, library-based, and hybrid frameworks. And each one comes with its own strengths, trade-offs, and maintenance requirements. Then there are methodologies like TDD and BDD, which shape how teams design and validate software from the start. Now, the challenge isn't choosing the most popular option. It's choosing an approach that your teams can actually maintain as applications, releases, and test coverage continues to grow. And this is where things start to change. So Kairos takes a different approach with its AI-native testing platform that's built to reduce the maintenance burden that comes with traditional automation testing. Its SEER framework continuously monitors changes, identifies what needs to be tested, runs the right validations, and helps keeps the test aligned as applications evolve. The goal is simple: less time maintaining tests and more time improving quality. Now, if you're evaluating your current automation strategy, it's worth understanding how framework choices impact maintenance, scalability, and long-term success. Check out our complete guide covering framework types, TDD versus BDD, Playwright versus Cypress, and how AI is reshaping modern testing.